Good morning, my dear students. This is the part 8 of chapter 3, Playing with Numbers. Today we shall discuss about common factors and common multiples. Let us begin with common factors. Now, let us consider two numbers 6 and 9. If we find the factors of 6 and 9, we find that factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3 and 6. Factors of 9 are 1, 3 and 9. The factors of 6 and factors of 9, we find that 1 and 3 are common in both the numbers. Therefore, 1 and 3 are called common factors of 6 and 9. Let us solve a question here. What are the common factors of 15 and 20? So what we shall do? We shall find the factors of 15 and 20 separately. I have done some rough work in the right side of the page. I have found that factors of 15 are 1, 3, 5 and 15. Same way, I have found factors of 20. I have found that factors of 20 are 1, 2, 4, 6, 10 and 20. Now from the factors, I can find that 1 and 5 are common in 15 and 20. Therefore, common factors of 15 and 20 are 1 and 5. Now let us check another question. What are the common factors of 12, 18 and 24? Let us find the common factors of 12. We have found that the common factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Now let us find the factors of 18. I have done some rough work and I have found that 18 equal to 1 into 18, 18 equal to 2 into 9, 18 equal to 3 into 6. So I have factors 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. Starting from 1, I have written up to 18. Same way, I have found the factors of 24 and I have got 24 equal to 1 into 24, 24 equal to 2 into 12, 24 equal to 3 into 18, 24 equal to 4 into 6. Starting from 1 to 24, I have got the factors 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. Therefore, I have rounded the common factors of 12, 18 and 24. What are the rounded numbers? The rounded numbers are 1, 2, 3 and 6. Therefore, the common factors of 12, 18 and 24 are 1, 2, 3 and 6. I have given you homework from exercise 3.3. Write the common factors of the following numbers. Number 2 is 15, 25 and 30. Number 4 is 42, 63 and 105. You have to find the factors and from the factors you have to find the common factors of the numbers. Now let us come to the next point, common multiples. We already know what are multiples. Now let us consider three numbers 9, 12 and 18. Now we shall write the multiples of the three numbers. Multiples of 9 are what? You already know. 9 into 1, I can write 9. 9 into 2, 18. 9 into 3, 27. 9 into 4, 36. 9 into 5, 45. 9 into 6, 54. 9 into 7, 63. 9 into 8, 72. 9 into 9, 81. 9 into 10, 90. I can write more, but I have written only 10, first 10 multiples of 9. In the second, for the second number also, for 12 also, I have written only 10, first 10 multiples of 12. The first 10 multiples of 12 are 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, 96, 108 and 120. First 10 multiples of 18 are 18, 36, 54, 72, 90, 108, 126, 144, 162 and 180. Now we shall check which are the common numbers in the multiples of 9, 12 and 18. I have seen 36 and 72 are the common numbers. Therefore, common multiples of 9, 12 and 18 are 36 and 72. Now let us solve a question. Write 3 common multiples of 5, 10 and 15. Multiples of 5 are 5, 5 into 2, 10, 5 into 3, 15, 5 into 4, 20, 5 into 5, 25, 5 into 6, 30, 5 into 7, 35, 5 into 8, 40, 5 into 9, 45, 5 into 10, 50, 5 into 11, 55, 5 into 12, 60 and so on. Multiples of 10 are 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. You can write so on. Multiples of 15 are 15, 30, 45, 60, 75, 90 and so on. Therefore, the common multiples of 5, 10 and 15 are 30 and 60 because I have seen 30 and 60 in the list of multiples of 5. I have seen 30 and 60 in the list of multiples of 10. I have seen 30 and 60 in the list of multiples of 15. Therefore, the common multiples of 5, 10 and 15 are 30 and 60. If we write more multiples, we get more common multiples. The homework for you is write 3 common multiples of 3, 5 and 10. Next topic is prime factorization. To find the prime factors of a number, you have to know short division. So I hope many of you know what is short division. But if anyone is having doubt about short division, let us have a short discussion here. I have taken one example. Divide 3570 by 5. To do the short division, you have to know the tables of the numbers. We have to divide 3570 by 5. So you have to know the table of 5. In 3, we cannot divide by 5. So we have taken the next digit 35. How many 5s are there in 35? 5 into 7. So which is equal to 35. So there are 7 5s in 35. So I have written 7 in the quotient. 5 into 7 is 35. There is no remainder. That is why we go to the next digit 7. How many 5s are in 7? there are 1, 5 in 7. 5 into 1 is 5. So remainder 2 I have written with red ink. This remainder 2 and the next digit together will make 20. Now let us check how many 5 in 20. From the multiple table, we found that 5 into 4 is 20. So we shall write 4 in quotient. Let us check another question. Divide 7441 by 7. Here we have to know the table of 7. So I have to consider the first digit of 7441. 7. How many 7 in 7? That is 1 7 in 7. 7 into 1 is 7. I have written 1. Now let us go to the next digit, that is 4. How many 7 in 4? We cannot divide 4 by 7. So I have written 4. I have written 0. So remainder will be 4. This 4 with the next digit will make 44. How many 7 in 44? 7 into 6 is 42. So 2 will be remainder, and I have written 6 in quotient. So the remainder 2 and the next digit will make 21. How many 7 in 21? There are 3 7s in 21. So I have written 3 in the quotient. So our answer is 1, 0, 6 and 3. I hope you have understood the process of short division. Now your classwork is divide by short division method. Number 1, 21726 divided by 3, and number 2, 51216 by 8.